The CDC published its projections today for COVID deaths, showing the total fatalities from the virus in the U.S. would be 548,000 people by March 20th. That number was initially higher last month when the projections were released. It predicted up to 559,000 deaths by March 13th. Masks and social distancing helped shrink that new number, even though it covers an additional week. The CDC normally predicts higher numbers of deaths with each new forecast. According to Johns Hopkins University, at least 502,000 people have died from COVID in the U.S. so far.